is Caroline McClymont, and I'm going to talk to you today about why our school should switch to Google products for the 2018-2019 school year. Google's mission in education is to ignite innovation and learning, and that really kind of resonates with what Shawnee Mission School District is doing. Our mission is guiding students to success, and we have recently done the technology initiative, and we are really pushing for things like STEM and science learning and technology-based learning in general. And I think Google and Shawnee Mission School District could work very well together. Google Chrome should be our browser of choice. It works the best if you're going to use Google products such as Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Forms. It is 100% free. All you have to do is download it. Especially on the student iPads, it tends to work a little bit better than the Safari. It's very easy to use, and you can transfer within devices. So if you log into your Google account, you can get your bookmarks and your passwords saved anytime you're logged into your Google account. It doesn't have to be on your personal computer. And then Google has lots of extensions and apps that are available to enhance the students' experiences as well as the teachers. Gmail is something that we would get with our Google accounts through the Shawnee Mission School District. We can organize our Gmail into groups for sending out parent emails or coworker emails. You can easily transfer things into the calendar. It's very user-friendly, and there is a lot of storage. The Google Calendar is a great thing for sharing. You can add appointments. It's very device friendly. You can access it anywhere, so you wouldn't just have to have it on your school computer, much like the Outlook system that we use now. You could easily sign into your Google account and have Google Calendar on your phone, on your iPad, and then that way you could constantly see when your appointments are, when your meetings are. You can have multiple calendars, so you can have a personal calendar, you can have a school calendar, you can have a classroom calendar that you can then share with parents so that they have all the information as well. Google Sites would replace our teacher web backpacks. These could be used to share what the students are learning in class, to do parent communication. It's a lot easier to use than the web backpack. You have a lot of options, and it's easy to use. Students can even create their own page. So you can have a classroom website and then have student pages where it shows each of their individual work. Google Drive, we already use this within the Shawnee Mission School District. It's unlimited storage, which is a lot more than we have on our MacBooks and our student iPads. The thing that's really great about it is students especially can save all of their things to the Google Drive, and then when they turn in their MacBooks or their iPads for the next school year, the Google Drive, all they have to do is log back on in August and all of their information will be there. Google Docs, Sheets, and Presentations, these are the same as Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. They have the same basic functions. The best part about this is they're 100% free. So it's not costing our district anything to use these. And each Google Docs, Sheets, and Presentation all have add-ons and extensions from Google that you can use to help enhance the students' experiences. Things like EasyBib on Google Docs can help students create easy MLA or APA formatted papers. Google Forms, we already use this within the district to gather information. We use it for the pentathlon, we use it for staff development logins, we use it for parent-student communication. I think another great thing that we should look at with Google Forms is implementing our weekly review math tests and morning work. If we do this as a district, everybody already uses the same morning work and the same Friday tests. So if we create these Google Forms and send them out to the teachers, it would make grading so much easier. And it would not only help the teachers, but it would get the students used to using the Google Forms and being more comfortable with them. Google Classroom is something that a lot of teachers are already utilizing. The updates in Google Classroom have made it so much easier to use. There's also an extension on Google Chrome that you can be on a website and you can click the Google Classroom button on your Chrome browser and it automatically uploads whatever is on that web page to the classroom. That's really great if you're trying to show the kids a website and you want to send it into Google Classroom so they can just click on it. They don't have to type it in. It's awesome. And then you can easily send grades. And the new thing with Google Classroom is you can add parents. So parents can go in and see the assignments and see the work that the students are doing and see the grades that students are getting. So in conclusion, Google would be the best choice for our school next year because it is 100% free. We're not spending any money out of pocket to use these apps and these programs. They're easy to use and trainings are available online. So teachers can train at their own pace. We don't have to sit through 6 to 8 hours of professional development if you already know how to use Google Docs or Google Classroom. And if you forget something, you can easily go online and figure out what it is. And the fact that we can transfer between multiple devices, that's really great for our kids. They can log in at home and have access to all of their files if they've forgotten their MacBook or their iPad at school. And most importantly, we have almost unlimited amounts of storage. So it would be a great addition for the district in the 2018-2019 school year.